Mithi's kitchen. Today we are making veggies pulao. And veggies pulao, for that ingredients I have it, such as like 2 cup of boiled peas, like garbanzo beans. We call it chana, right? So it's big chana. 1 big onion, cup of peas. For the garnish, couple teaspoon of cilantro, half bell pepper, green bell pepper, and 1 big carrot, and 2 potatoes. And other ingredients I have it: cumin seed 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of spices, pepper, red pepper, and 1 tablespoon of regular pepper, chili pepper. And also each of them garlic and green chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric. So this pulao is really very tasty, and we will just try to make it different style. It's really authentic pulao, so you will really enjoy that. So first I have added a few tablespoons of olive oil in pot, and my pot should be enough hot, right? So because it's need time, so you can see that pot is hot, so we will add cumin seed, when cumin seed change color, you should add onion. I have my heat on medium high, so because we are cooking in this cast iron, so it needs to be like on certain amount of heat, otherwise cooking doesn't come in good taste. So just you don't have to make it too much brown, it's just like a couple minutes. You can see that our onion is roasting about a minute. At this point, I will add potatoes. Potato needs little bit, couple of more minutes to cook, so we will let it cook couple of minutes potato. So now we will add our carrot. Also, this is fresh carrot, but you know that carrot needs little bit time. Our carrot is little bit hard and it still stays crunchy, so we need to give enough time to cook. And at this point, I will add garlic and salt all together. So that will help to cook our ingredients, especially carrot and potatoes. Now I have another ingredient, which is peas, that I will add too. And I'm using, this is the frozen peas. So these all vegetables needs couple of minutes, so we will let it cook. So friends, now you can see that our potato is like halfway done, and we wanted to cook like that so far. So we will add some other ingredients, such as like all dry ingredients with the green chili. at this point I will add our old 2 cup boiled peas. And while peas is getting cooked with this all ingredients, I will show you the next procedure what to follow. So we will let it dry this all water what we have it inside, and I don't want to just completely dry, little bit less moisture in it, so it can support to our rice. So we will let it cook for a few minutes, this one. So friends, now I will add our 4 cup rice that I have soaked in water, probably like 30 minutes. So we will let it cook rice probably like 75%, and rest of the 25% it will cook with our veggies. And this is the best vegetable pulaus because my daughter is vegan and is helping me a lot, because each time when I make the big pot, couple of the dishes, and she will really enjoy a lot. So at this point I will keep it on the high heat, little bit medium high, and I will let it cook probably another 7 to 8 minutes. So friends, now you can see that our rice is very well. However, we need it like 75% is done. So at this point, I will turn off rice stove and also very low on this all veggies. So now I will take it out like a half of veggies from this one, and you can see that our veggies is very dry. Okay, so now I will add our rice in it. At this point, we will add some green veggies like green pepper, bell pepper, we call it capsicum too, and also some garam masalas. At this point, we will add our second part of veggies. So friends, now I will add some our additional cilantros and also garam masalas, and we will let it cook probably like 15 minutes, not much, even though 10 to 12 minutes. So our oil moisture get evaporate and we can see that how our biryani turns. So rest of the oil spices I will let it go. Hello friends, so now we can see our pot. You can see that our pulao is very well done and it's smelling so good. So at this point I will turn off stove and I'll let it steam probably like another few minutes, and we will dish out. Hello friends, now our vegetable pulao is ready, and you can see that it's done very well. you will really enjoy. I want you to follow this recipe very close. And veggies and like a steamed rice, it will really help to sometimes lose weight and gain weight too. But it is really very healthy recipes. Because I'm cooking time to time, my daughter is vegan and she do not like any dairy product or any meat or anything. So this is really very nice lean food, and you will really enjoy that. So I want you to follow these recipes, and if you have any question, comments, please leave it over comment box, and I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.